This is day 9 of 30 of trying to get from a handicap 15 to a handicap 10. Currently, I'm at handicap 13.2, so I've had some progress. Still need to get down 3 points. It's gonna be a tough challenge, but I'm gonna try. I already did 9 holes today. I scored 7 over. I've never played the second 9 of this course, so let's see what we can do. Oh, beauty. I think that can be good. Not happy with that effort. All right, it would be a tap-in bogey. Okay, hole 2, par 5, dog leg to the left. I'm not sure how this is gonna go with this wind. That's either just before the bunker or just in the bunker. Whoa. All right. Oh, the wind's got it. I'm not sure what that is. Looks like a bunker. Break. Oh, what the hell? I didn't do anything.